The ADEMS company presents ADEMS Pro machine of own manufacture. The machine is intended for sharpening of barber scissors with a classic cutting edge and zigzag, tailor scissors as well as knives for household use, ceramic knives and butcher's knives. The machine refers to professional series. It features long-term operation under intensive load due to use of parts manufactured in CNC production centers. The machine is supplied ready for operation. It doesn't require additional setting and installation. Completing units of the machine include multi-purpose holder for scissors and knife, 3-section handling device, manufacturer's certificate, reducer bushing, a set of guard shelves, oil for scissors. You can buy the following in addition to the machine: sets for fastening of abrasive discs, intended for quick substitution of discs and reducer bushing, abrasive cubic boron nitride discs and diamond discs of different grit and profile, ceramic and elastic abrasive and polishing discs, resolute polishing discs and discs made of organic felt. Getting started. Fasten scissors in the holder and set necessary sharpening angle. Sharpen one cutting edge. With no changes in the holder, fasten the second cutting edge and complete sharpening. Polishing of scissors is simple as well, no additional settings or adjustment needed. Turning the holder over, we proceed from sharpening to polishing. Adjust the holder to sharpen knives as shown in the video. Polishing is simple as well. It is necessary to turn the holder over and treat cutting edges one by one with a polishing disc. Use cubic boron nitride discs to sharpen ceramic knives. Quite often in workshops you deal with the different types of tools made of various materials. We recommend keeping of prepared earlier in calibrated discs in stock in order to save time for exchange and calibration of discs. Substitution of a disc takes little time and there is no need in elimination of discs run out.